Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have two equations. We have 3/4 x minus 1/2 y is equal to 12. We have ax minus by is equal to 9. We're told that this system of equations has no solutions. So what does this mean for the graphs of these lines? Well, that means that we have two lines that are parallel but have different y-intercepts, right? So they're going to run parallel alongside each other and never meet. What does that mean? Well, if we have y is equal to mx plus b is the equation of a line, that means that the coefficients of the y value and the x value have to be the same, right? Why am I saying it in that way instead of just talking about it in terms of m? Well, we don't have these in terms of slope-intercept form. So instead of doing that and getting them into slope-intercept form, we can see that the ratio of the coefficient of x to the coefficient of y has to be equal for both of these equations. So 3/4 over negative 1/2 has to be equal to a over negative b. Okay? And so we can, first of all, cross multiply because we have two fractions equal to each other. So we have 3/4 times negative b is negative 3/4 b. And then a times negative 1/2 is negative 1/2 a. So I think the easiest thing to do is just to multiply everything by negative 4 to get rid of these fractions. So negative 4 times negative 3/4 is 3b is equal to negative 4 times negative 1/2 is positive 2a. We're asked what is the value of a over b, so if we divide both sides by b, and we will actually make it 2b, then these b's will cancel and these 2's will cancel, and we get a over b is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the ratio of a to b in this equation for the system of equations to have no solutions. 3/2 is going to be your final answer. Again, you could do this by converting them into slope-intercept form and then comparing the slopes, but I think it's a little bit easier to do it this way. It saves you a little bit of time towards the end of the test, but either way will get you the same answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.